I already briefly touched it, the term one single source of truth, but I think it's very important that we talk about this again. You ultimately want to have your master data saved in one source of truth. And it doesn't need to be one global system for all sites, although that would be a really preferred and good solution. Don't forget, most likely you need to validate the system, by the way. What you want to have is that you identify, perhaps start with islands of, let's say, data sets. For example, you can have quality management system as electronic software. You can have a laboratory information management system as a single. You can have a document management system as a single software. And within the software, it's clearly identified during the validation of the software which kind of data needs to be saved or can be saved or managed in the software. This means, for example, for EQMS, electronic quality management system, your, let's say, process master data most likely will be here. Deviation category, criticality of complaints, incident criticality, and so on. There are a lot of others named. So that means that somewhere we must identify that the single source of truth for our process master data for QMS procedures is within this system. The system can be TrackWise, Viva, then QMS. There are a lot of examples. The same goes then for laboratory information management systems and their master data, for example, laboratory methods, laboratory device numbers, method specifications, like release specifications for products, etc. And at the same time also for documents, like simple things like document numbers. Where do I know are the document numbers as a single source of truth saved? Well, most likely in the DMS, the document management. So you have the option to define within the validation packages of the softwares which kind of master data is saved there. In these validation packages, you can also define the categories of the specific master data, whether or not they're GMP relevant, or whether or not they are linked to a functionality, or whether or not they're just a selection value, which means they can be very quickly and easily updated without a lot of change activities. Just as always, traceability and documentation is important, for example, in the ticketing system, as explained.